This Land Rover's windscreen rubber trim is leaking because it's got massive cracks like that. The rainwater is passing through from that crack, also here on the top as well, and same is on the other side, and dripping here in the floor. That's why, as you can see, it's got rust because the rainwater was staying here. I then contacted the auto glass to come and change the rubber trim for me, but they told me they not going to change the rubber alone, they will change the screen as well, the window, the glass. So it's costing more money, and there is nothing wrong with the glass is fine, there's no scratches, nothing, not crack, only the rubber trim. So now I'm gonna try something else to see if that works. Let me show you. It says auto glass sealant, and that is from Germany. It looks to me good stuff. Let's try. Also, I have this type as well. It comes like a coil, and that is a rubber sealant. You have to cut a little piece just like that. It's like a gum, and press it into the cracks just like that inside. But I'm not gonna use that one now. I'm gonna try this one, see if it works. Let's start. Both of them I found on eBay. Now this sealant I'm gonna use to repair the trim, to fill the rubber sealant in those cracks to see if that can stop. And it is just like that. To press it inside the cracks. Now I'm going to fill it just like this in each crack, then wait to get dry. This sealant has worked now, and I applied all in these cracked areas, in this corner, on the top, and the other side as well. here on the top as well. It's properly been sealed now, and I poured a full jug of water on it yesterday, but it's not leaking anymore. So job done. Also, I applied in that here in these gaps as well, as you can see. And then on the other side as well. So I tried here, and I put the water on the car from outside. As you can see, it's dry now. Now I'm gonna paint that area so it's not leaking anymore. So that sealant worked properly. This is very nice. And that's saved me so much time and money by changing the whole rubber trim, because they didn't want to change it. They wanted to change with the window as well, which I didn't want that. It's perfect now. Well done.